Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to learn about the basic syntax of Python programming, and also we are going to write the first program in Python, which is Hello World. So Hello World is sort of a legendary program where every programmer learns programming from this one line program, which is Hello World. So we will be writing the Hello World program, and we are going to learn about the basic syntax of Python programming. So like any other programming language out there in the world, there is a basic syntax for Python also, and the Python syntax defines a set of rules that are used to create Python statements while writing a Python program. Although the Python programming language syntax has many similarities to Perl, C, and Java programming, but there are some huge differences between these languages. So let's execute our first program, which is Hello World, and then we will learn about a syntax in more detail. So as you can see, I am on my Jupyter notebook and I have this markdown over here, and I have created this markdown from here, and in this cell I am going to write the Hello World program. So what I'm going to type over here is print Hello World. In most of the programming language you will see that you have to write somewhat around 4 to 5 lines, and then you have to give a print command. Then only the print command will print something on your console or on your standard output device. But in Python we just have to use one print function, and Python will print out your command on your screen. So for example, in Java you have to write more than 3 lines of code for printing a statement. Similarly in C you have to write somewhat around 3 or 4 lines. So now if we run this command, then you will see that we have the output which will be printed out over here. So if I click on this button, which is run, and this run button will run the cell, this specific cell on which I am right now, then the program will get executed and it will print the statement. So the first way of running over here is that I can press this button, which is run, and you will see that Hello World is printed over here. The second way of running this program is that I can basically copy it over here, paste it over here, and the second way of running this statement is that you can press shift and enter all together, and you will see that your command has executed, or your code has been executed, and you have the Hello World over here. So now the question is, what is happening over here in this line of code? So over here the print function basically helps us to print the statement, and the print is already a predefined function in Python, and it helps us to display the given object to the standard output device, which is your screen. Now if you want to print anything except this Hello World, please feel free to do that. What you just need to do is that you need to type print, and then you can print anything over here within this quotes. For example, I'm putting my name over here, saying that my name is Atul. And if I run this, then you will see that the program has executed, or this statement has been executed, this cell has been executed, and you have the output over here. So that's it for this video. In our next video we are going to learn about the Python identifiers. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.